Hey guys, it's Kevin. Just give you an update on the damper we're going to use for ET-8550. Of course, you have to convert your printhead into a nipple printhead. I made a couple improvements. One is this ink outlet. You can see it's sealed tightly and you don't have to puncture it. And if you don't believe it, just use adapter and try this. You don't have to puncture anything, so it's different from a V3 damper. No more leakage and a lot cleaner. And the second improvement is a little shorter than V3, so you can feed in the ET-8550's printhead carriage without grinding it down. So no more modification on the printhead carriage, and just plug it in and it fits. Third improvement are those little holes on the top. For example, if you suspect a clog in the tube, the old days you have to disconnect the tube and then suck from the tube. Now you can do that without cutting off your tube. Of course, if you want to put cleaning solutions or prime the printhead, you want to push the cleaning solution through the printhead, you can do all that without too much trouble. And keep the feature in the V3, it can connect both bigger and small tubes. It can connect both C2 and C3 tubes. So you don't need to buy like a C2 to C3 converter, so it takes both tubes. Most DTF use a C2 or C3 tube, so you don't need to worry about what kind of tube I have. Anyway, this damper is compatible to all earlier versions like a V2, V3, and is specially designed to have the ET-8550 in mind. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnology.com or locally, Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.